I'm Kimberly Speed.
And Solomon Speed, the husband of Kimberly Speed.
Really what started us in wanting to capture our water here in Texas was just the whole piece of it. We wanted land, we wanted more land freedom, and we really ultimately would love to live off grid. So what gave us the glimpse of living like this was we started in Hawaii. We had an acre, and all we had for our water was what we called a water catchment. We also utilized the UV filtration system, so we made it potable. So moving here, we wanted to utilize the same thing.
So we came to your workshop obviously a few weeks ago, and it kind of just kickstarted, jump-started us, gave us the juice that we needed to go ahead, let's go ahead and just continue to experiment. So we got your 55-gallon drum where we started from, and then shortly after that decided to upgrade and found these two totes, 275 gallons a piece. We found them on Facebook Marketplace for $100. They had a non-standard nozzle on it, and so I had to Amazon locate some of the attachments just for the water hose attachments. This is nothing but dry hose vent, something I had on hand, and a couple Home Depot attachments, PVC. Had to also get the new cap, Amazon, that comes with a filter a few weeks ago. And after several weeks of no rain, we got between 2 inches and 2.5 inches in the middle of the night. And these tanks filled up within 20 minutes. And that 20 minutes included flushing it out first because we had some chemicals in it from some residue from when we purchased it. We have 6 drain spouts around the house. And so our plan is at least expand. If we really want to go large, again, getting back to our dream of a 10,000 gallon tank. So right now, just it's a supplement to the watering the grass and feeding the chickens and even our dog.
And gardening.
And gardening. I know I've already got some improvements in mind. Today will be actually the first test to test this little pump. And I bought this pump like Amazon under $100. The other thought process is also to make these mobile, put them on a trailer, fill them up, and then move them where we need them on the property. Again, hook up a simple pumping system to it, solar powered generator to run the pump, and then we can again irrigate the plants and the waters further away from the house that we need. So that's where we're eventually going to get to. And again, scaling up. This is all experiment side in terms of the scale. We get some more income coming in, we'll scale up and get a larger pump, get a larger solar panel, and maybe a few more tanks. Just try it. It's relatively easy. I really just took the drain spout apart, which was 2 or 3 screws holding the drain spout in, just rerouted it to the tank. And it's just an experiment. That's all it is. Just try it.
Watering your grass from the rain.